Headed to go make a terrible purchase. But first, actually, I run sprint cars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always glad to hear that kind of
I think I'm gonna buy it. Damn, sounds kind of nasty after it warmed up.
It does. I don't know. It's good. I can swear I don't think there's any aftermarket parts on it.
It just runs. It does sound good. I mean, it don't take much to put a piston and a ring in them, and so I'm sure somebody might have done that in the past.
That's kind of what I'm thinking. Because the guy I bought it from, man, when he pulled it up and he hopped out, man, I was just kind of like,
Yeah, it runs
I
good.
don't know, man.
It needs a little bit of love, but that I can do, and I got some land to ride it, so. There it is, my terrible purchase for the day.
Hey, I'm made a couple.
One down, 5 up, neutral in the middle. Oh, gotta turn it on first, dude. That helps. Those weeds straight ahead is going to be my pit bike track. I just haven't had time to get to it. My lawn guys didn't mow it for some reason. Need some fuel. Oh, this thing rips! Apparently it doesn't have brakes.
Good purchase. Look at the smoke, people. I hope the camera's on.
I love two-strokes. Oh, that was fun. I have a lot more coming to the channel. I'm building a mini bike, so expect that next week. Thanks for watching TmezTv.